You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this crypto analysis video. Tomorrow is the CPI data from the United States. You see here, we are going to have this data and it's going to shape the direction of the market. Not only that, it's going to tell what the Federal Reserve will do in the next interest rate decision. So I am looking at the 4-hour chart right here. We say the market have been in these horizontal boundaries, and what this means is the markets have no proper direction until certain level is broken. If we see this level of resistance break or this level of support break, then that is when we can say the market has begun to move to a particular direction. And also on ETH and on Matic right here, market have already gone into this very area of 0.74, which is very important. This is not the right time to buy, except you want to take it for a long time. All of this and more into this analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart, if you look at here, I was talking about the market coming down to the level of $29,000. So I said the market should come back up to this area of $29,000. So from here, we will see the market begin to move back. So what I am still expecting is the market not go down below the $29,000. One thing very important as well is prior to the CPI data tomorrow, if we see the market crash back down prior to tomorrow's CPI data release, then that means the market is going to move to the upside after the release. If the market moves significantly to the upside before the release, then that also means that the market is going to come back down after the release. Remember, I'm using the 1-day chart. This is very important, and right now the market is very unpredictable, just like you can see right here on the 4-hour chart. So on the 1-day chart, since the MACD is still forming on the negative side with these very red bars, I am still expecting that the market go down a little bit into this area of $29,000 before the next move to the upside. This is what I am expecting, and if we see the market begin to move from where the market is right now to the upside sharply before or after the CPI data, this is going to form a divergence on this chart. So if we see a divergence on this chart after the CPI data, then that also means that the market is going to come back down quickly. Immediately we begin to see bearish presence on the 1-day chart. So what I am looking at is the market to come back down a little bit into this level of $29,000. And on the 4-hour chart, I am being very careful on the 4-hour chart right now, because if you look at this very chart, the market has moved between this support and this resistance, and this is a range market. So it means that if you want to trade the range, you must have to catch the market either from this level of resistance or you catch the market from this level of support. So you don't trade within this very zone. Let's say from this very area would be a very wrong place to take a buy or short position. So what I am expecting right now is focusing on these two horizontal boundaries, this very area of resistance and this very area of support. That means if we see a breakout on this left right here, then that means the market is going to move to the upside significantly immediately after we see the CPI data, or if we see the market break on this level of resistance as well, that also means that the market is going to come back to the downside as well. So either of the breakout is going to move significantly, either upward or downward. So focus on the breakout and not the market moving up and down. And especially if you don't know how to trade range markets, please stay away from the market until you see a breakout either on this level of resistance or on this level of support. This will help you greatly to save your account. And on the ETH 1-day chart, if you look at this area, I talk about the market coming down into this level of important support, and that is what we are seeing right now. Consolidation at this very area. I am still expecting that if the market can break this level of important support to the downside, then we can see the market come into this very zone of support. So this is my expectation, market breakout on this level of support, then we will find the market come back into this very zone. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. Now, the possibility of the market moving to the upside exists, okay, but my directional bias is the market to come back down into this level of $1,837, and a breakout of this level of support is going to send the market into this very zone of important support. Why this zone? Because this very area is where we see the market move from in the past before retracement. The market continue again to the upside. So a breakout here will send the market into this very zone of important support. Then after the breakout, a market coming to this support, then we're going to see a nice move to the upside from this level of support. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the 1-day chart, ETH, and the 4-hour chart right here. Market has not broken out as I was expecting. You see the market come into this level, and the market have been in this very zone quite a number of times. So I am still expecting the market to come back down, and the breakout right here is going to send the market back to the downside. That also implies that if we see the market come into this very area and did not break out and give us a bullish engulfing pattern at this very area of support to the upside, that will also be a nice trade to take on ETH to the upside. That means market come down and then they not break out, and at this very area of support we see a bullish engulfing pattern or a pin bar, that is a bullish pin bar that indicate that the market is going to go up with significant volume. That means the market is going to move to the upside, and I am going to take this trade on ETH. This is what I am expecting. Once I see this play out, I am also going to give this trade in the various groups. And on Matic right here, you see Matic moved significantly yesterday to this very level of resistance. See the market have stayed here for a few hours, and don't expect any aggressive move on Matic to the upside right now. Don't expect the Matic chart to move upward aggressively. Market does not move that way. Market can just move slightly a little bit and then begin to come back right down, or we can see good consolidation within this area before a significant move to the upside. What I'm trying to say is either we see a very nice consolidation around this area before a good move to the upside, or we see the market begin to move to the downside in form of a retracement of this very impulsive move to the upside. This is what I'm expecting, and this is what you need to pay attention to as well in your strategy. Don't take a buy position on Matic where the market is right now. Either you expect a retracement to the downside. Possible area where this retracement is going to pause is this area of resistance right here, and this very area of resistance at this very point. So this will now form a zone and market enter here before the next move to the upside. This is what I am paying attention to on Matic right now. Retracement, or the market should consolidate before the next significant move to the upside on Matic. What do you think on BTC USDT 1-day chart? The possibility of the market moving aggressively to the upside exists on this very chart. Do you think the market is going to move to the upside and that the market is not going to come down anymore to create a new low? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content if you like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.